Fire it up. This does not flash. It's only because of my iPhone. 25,000 original miles. 6-speed manual. And we'll go check out underneath the hood now. This thing sounds really good. Dynatech headers on there. Air raid intake. Sorry about all the traffic back here.